In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Analytics report in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Analytics or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. This can be easily done by heading over to the marketing platform website where you'll find tools and solutions for your business analytics needs. Opening this page is your gateway to gaining insights into your website's performance and understanding your audience better. Once you're on the Google Analytics main page, the next step is to sign in. You'll see a Sign into Analytics button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. It's vital to ensure you're using the correct account associated with your website data. If you manage multiple accounts, take a moment to carefully select the right one so you don't end up looking at incorrect data. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics home. This dashboard serves as a starting point, showing you an overview of key metrics such as the number of users, sessions, and bounce rate over the past 7 days. This snapshot is great for getting a quick grasp of your website's current performance. From there, you'll want to head over to the settings. You can find the settings menu easily accessible at the top. Clicking on this will allow you to adjust various configurations for your account, including user management, data settings, and notification preferences. Reviewing these settings periodically is essential to ensure everything is tailored to your needs. Now that your settings are all set, it's time to take a look at your reports. In the main navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Reports Snapshot. Clicking on this will bring you to a more detailed view of your data. Here, you can explore various reports that provide deeper insights into different facets of your online presence, from audience demographics to traffic sources and user behavior on your site. These insights can drive your strategic decision making and highlight areas for improvement or growth. To summarize, checking your Google Analytics report is a simple yet powerful way to stay on top of your website's performance. By following these steps, you'll ensure you're aligned with your business goals and can make data-driven decisions effectively. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident navigating through Google Analytics. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore further to maximize the potential of your data insights.